Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mint drink without using Sprite. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint sprigs, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of fresh lime or lemon juice. Don't forget 2 cups of cold water or club soda to complete our refreshing base. These simple components are the foundation for a truly invigorating beverage. Now, let's create our flavorful mint simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of water. Add about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves to this mixture. Gently heat it, stirring until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down entirely. Remember to strain out the mint leaves before using the syrup for a smooth texture. With our mint simple syrup ready and cooled, it's time to assemble your refreshing drink. Grab a pitcher and pour in the entire batch of your homemade mint simple syrup. Next, add 1 cup of fresh lime or lemon juice for that essential tangy kick. Finally, pour in 2 cups of cold water or club soda, depending on whether you prefer a still or sparkling beverage. Give it a good stir to blend all the flavors perfectly. Your homemade mint drink is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled over plenty of ice in your favorite tall glasses. For an elegant touch, garnish each glass with a fresh mint sprig and a thin lime wedge. Feel free to get creative with variations. You could muddle some fresh berries or add sliced cucumber for a different flavor profile. Adjust the sweetness and tartness to perfectly suit your taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.